Hey George, so guess what today is? January 23rd, which is your birthday. And you're you're 18. I was gonna say 1-8, but it doesn't matter anymore. Anyways, so you're legally adult now. Like, you should go do something. Like, go buy porn. I know you want to. Just kidding. You can go buy cigarettes because I know how much you love smoking. Or you can go get in trouble and get tried as an adult. So, hope you're having a good birthday. And told you the surprise wasn't much. And, I have an exam today. Sociology. It sucks. There's so much information, and it's a stupid half-year course, so it's like the final. But I only have one, and I get to go in late to school because I don't have one in my first period because it was a study hall. So that's exciting, and hope California's good, and I hope soccer's good, and I guess that's it. So happy birthday again, and I will talk to you later. Bye.